of the p block elements of the periodic table for discussion, that is group 16. This group 16 contains elements oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, and a new synthetic element, that is livermorium. So these elements belong to group 16 of the periodic table, which is a group of p block elements. ये p block का group है, ये group 16. So the atomic number of oxygen is 8, atomic number of sulfur is 16, selenium 34, ये atomic number है इनका, tellurium इसका atomic number है 52, polonium का 84, और लिवरमोरियम का एटॉमिक नंबर जो है that is 116. ये इसका एटॉमिक नंबर है, लिवरमोरियम को दिया गया ये एटॉमिक नंबर. The elements of this group are also known as, इनको हम बोल सकते हैं, इनको हम कभी इस नाम से पुकारते हैं, chalcogens बोलते हैं इनको, chalcogens. These are also known as chalcogens. Chalcogens, actually this word has been derived from the Greek word. इसको हमने Greek से derive किया, Greek word से derive किया है. Greek word for bros. For bros एक alloy है, bros, and points to the association of sulfur and its congeners, that means other members, with copper. And because of this association, they are known as chalcogens. Because of the association of sulfur and its congeners with copper, they are known as chalcogens with copper. Because we know that most of the copper minerals contain either oxygen or sulfur, and frequently the other members of this group. Now, occurrence. Why these elements exist? ये कहाँ पर exist करते हैं? सबसे पहले यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन है. This oxygen is the most abundant element है on earth. यानी most abundant element on earth, that is 46.6% by mass of earth's crust. यानी earth's crust में by mass होता है 46.6% होता है, almost near 50% है ये ऑक्सीजन होता है. ये also पता होता है एटमॉस्फेयर में ड्राई एयर अगर हम लेंगे, हम ड्राई एयर कंटेन्स ऑक्सीजन, ये करता है कंटेन ऑक्सीजन अप टू 20.946% बाय वॉल्यूम. इन्हें अगर हम लेंगे 1 लीटर लेंगे या हम लेंगे फॉर एग्जाम्पल 100 लीटर लेंगे, उसमें इतना होता है 20.946 लीटर्स होंगे oxygen की. That means almost 21%. So now we have sulfur. This sulfur actually इसका जो abundance है सल्फर का, that is in the earth's crust, सल्फर का abundance जो है that is 0.03 to 0.1% है ये. It exists in the combined form. ये combined form exist होता है as sulfates. For example, let us take some sulfates. This is gypsum, calcium sulfate dihydrate. ये gypsum है. We have one more sulfate, that is epsom. That is epsom is actually, this is magnesium sulfate. heptahydrate. We have one more sulfate, that is barite, that is barium sulfate. So these are sulfates. It also exists as sulfides. Sulfides. For example, galena, that is lead sulfide. Zinc blende, that is ZnS, and copper pyrites, that is CuFeS2. This is copper pyrite. So sulfur exists in the combined form in sulfides, and copper pyrites, and as pyrites. Its traces are also present. Traces are also present as H2S, hydrogen sulfide, in volcanoes. It also exists in organic matter. ये organic matter भी exist होता है. This sulfur, it is present in organic matter also, like eggs, garlic, onion, mustard, hair, wool, etc. So this was about sulfur, its existence. Now we have selenium and tellurium. Their present in the earth crust, their abundance is low as compared to sulfur. They exist as metal selenides and metal tellurides. Metal selenides and metal tellurides. In these metal sulfide ores, in sulfide ores. In sulfide ores जब हम लेते हैं सल्फाइड ओर्स उनके साथ ही प्रेजेंट होते हैं selenium tellurium as metal selenides and metal tellurides earth's crust में. Now we have polonium. This polonium is actually a decay product है ये natural ये exist करता है नेचर में as a decay product of थोरियम एंड यूरेनियम. यानी ये दो एलिमेंट रेडियोएक्टिव एलिमेंट्स हैं, जब ये डिके होते हैं, डिसइंटीग्रेट होते हैं, सो वहां पर एक नया चीज निकलता है, दैट इज नोन एज पोलोनियम. उसको बोलते हैं पोलोनियम. एंड न्यू एलिमेंट हैज बीन डिस्कवर्ड रिसेंटली. दिस इज नोन एज लिवरमोरियम. लिवरमोरियम इज ए सिंथेटिक एलिमेंट. लिवरमोरियम इसको सिंथेसाइज कर दिया गया है, सिंथेटिक एलिमेंट बनाया गया है, सिंथेटिक एलिमेंट है. इट हैज बीन रिसेंटली इन्वेंटेड दिस लिवरमोरियम. सो इट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज. ये प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज, प्रोड्यूस्ड इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज एंड हैव short half-life in a fraction of a second. This, the production of this livermorien in small quantities and the short half-life period limits its study of properties. So this was about introduction and occurrence of group 16 elements. So this group contains elements oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium and livermorium. Okay.